Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday the 21st of March. Before we do get started, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, so let us have a look at what's happened overnight. It was a bit of a quiet start to the week. Like I said, we didn't have much to report on, but essentially wholesales rose 3.3% to a record high in Canada. That high being 59.1 billion. This was the largest monthly percentage gain since November 2009, so it was quite significant. The loonie reacted to the data, but look, at the moment it's still being bossed around by the USD, so in the end it was much of a nothing. Okay. In the US, the only data, which again was secondary data, was really Mr. Evans speaking, and it seems that the market is still divided on the timing of the next rate hike, and really the tone of the comments made by FOMC voter Mr. Evans didn't really give us any new direction last night. So that's what's happened there. All right, so it's time to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I found for us today is Aussie CAD on a 4-hour time frame. Now you can see from my chart here, now I am quite zoomed out, I do understand that, but you can see clearly that I've marked out a region of resistance. Okay, we can see that the market has shot off one time, and now the question mark is, will it happen again? So let us zoom in and let's see if we can find something at the critical area to see if we can possibly execute a trade. That's the Aussie CAD on a 4-hour. So as I zoom in on this particular chart, right at that critical point, this is the same resistance point that I marked out before. We can clearly see that I have developed a nice inside candle, and the consequent candle thereafter, the red one here, has already broken, so it's just triggered. So essentially this is a reversal price action candle pattern for us at a critical point. So we're going to go ahead and take this trade. If you like it, do so at your own will. Just remember, stop is usually placed above the high there somewhere, so it does have a shallow stop, and let's see what happens with this one. So that's our chart of the day. It's the Aussie CAD on a 4-hour chart. Okay, let's have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold. Essentially, what do we have? At 11:30 today, we have the monetary policy meeting minutes. So let's see what the minutes say, what the indication is of our economy and what they're feeling. This could move our Aussie dollar. At 8:30 later tonight, we have CPI numbers in London for the GBP. At 11:30 we have retail sales for the CAD, and tentatively we have the New Zealand GDT price index, which could occur anywhere between now and tomorrow before I next speak to you. All these times of course are in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time, otherwise Sydney time. As always guys, if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. And most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.